we need to act quickly before the body goes cold.
And tell me the elements of strong content and how some of this fits into how you think about creating content.
If your social feeds have just basically is on life support, like no one engages, no one shares, no one talks, and you're just creating work and you're feeling really burnt out about it because you're not getting any return, I say that we need to act quickly before the body goes cold. And so we're going to call 911 and we're going to do some CPR on your content. The 911 formula is 9 pieces of value: ask for nothing, educate purely, demonstrate what it is that you do, help people. 1 piece of content that's really personal, something about you, about what you do, show them a behind the scenes moment so they know there's a real person behind it. So 9 pieces of value, 1 personal thing that has nothing to do with anything except for, you know what, this is my life. I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what it looks like just for a moment. And the last one is a call to action. So that one is one where you give a full-throated pitch on whatever it is that you want. And you can do this without trying to mask it as a piece of content or value. You can just say, literally, I have a new program that I'm launching. I'd love to have you in it. Thanks for considering it. Now back to the regularly programmed content. So 9 pieces of value, education-based or inspiration, 1 BTS, behind the scenes, and then 1 strong call to action so that you can make money so you keep doing this.